Ahoy me hearties, welcome to the video today. Today is the second half of the kayaking mission a minute ago, and that is back to Porthpean. So I do hope you enjoy. We're going to go back, enjoy all the lovely views again, and let's get back to Porthpean. We're going to have a little bit of break. I do want to go that way towards Blackhead, but we'll see what happens. I might get a bit more along the other bit of coast. That'll be lovely. Anyway, we're just going to go slow and steady, enjoy the views, and then there's a bit of pipe or something come down there. If you watched the last video, but it's the same mission, I'm just splitting it up into two parts. You'll see this bit of coast going the other way, and now you're going to see this bit of coast going this way. Oh, we've got a helicopter out to sea. I need to go wider because there's underwater rock there. Alright, I can feel the bobbiness. I was making some nice little bobby swell. Not too far we got to go today. This is back to Porthpean, which, judging from this angle, there's little houses in front of me, but I'm not 100% sure until I get a bit closer. Anyway, lovely bit of coast. A few lovely sea caves along there. Alright, there were the bubbles. We're going to go back through this bit, but the other way around this time. Yeah, there's a little bit of plastic or something in that cave. Get that out. Be a bit of, probably a low tide mission. Alright, go with that. Bloody hell, you crazy bloody seagulls. They just jump straight off. You know you guys can fly, right? There's those lovely sea caves going from that this way. A nice bit of light going in there now. Hoping if we get more sunny weather and more stable seas, hopefully we're going to do a bit more of this around the coast. I do want to go up the Foy River as far as I can, but that's when I can get the kayak over there. See all the different angles you get on the cliffs. You get one angle going one way, and you get another nice angle going the other way. I might go back through that gap again, depending. See what the nice colours in the rock. All the iron up there. Yep, that's another divey bird going across. Alright, here we go. Right, where those white horses are, stay away from that bit. Right. Now starting back in again, now we're mostly past that. We're going to line up a bit in a minute, but should be okay. One of those black, white and red birds over there. Right, we're going to work straight through this gap. Right, here we go. Going back this way. Don't get too close to that rock. Alright, cool. Alright. Yeah, there's got a few more tunnels over there. That one. Never tunnel. Some of these could have been mines, some of these could be sea caves, some of them could be smuggling holes. You don't really know till you go in it. That's a freeholder. Again, some gnarly rock up there. I don't know if you can see that gnarly rock. Go out a bit, dodge those rocks. Nice looking tunnel. That water is beautiful today. Get a bit of bumpiness off that outcrop. Somewhere above me, probably where that camera is a Coast Guard, blah, blah, blah. Coast Guard lookout. I think you can visit that lookout sometimes. There is a sign at the top, I just can't remember what it says right now. Yeah, those two houses are there. Over there are Porthpean. We'll go back there in a second. Lovely sea cave. Beautiful cliffs. Yeah, that is the Coast Guard lookout. Right. And that little rock section I've got to look out. Oh, they got the crane up now at Charlestown. Right, we're going to go between those white bits and this bit. Hopefully there's no little rock sticking out. We got some swell between those rocks and the main cliff. Lovely waves pouring over the rock there. That's the Coast Guard bit. That means the bit up there is that seating area I did an overnighter on once. It's now fenced off. Let's get a better look at that cliff. Judging by that, well, no wonder it's fenced off. Yeah, the bit at the top's coming and getting undercut. That's why they got it. Fenced it off. Alright, let's get back to Charlestown a minute. That beautiful cove again. Definitely had a bit of rockfall in there. Right, here we go. Yes. Alright, the rocks I've got to take care of. Go majorly wide. Whoosh. Nice rock sticking out over there, looks really nice. Now I'm going to give that rock sticking out a little bit more wider berth. You also see the bit of the fort from up there. That's more like a gun battery place. Again, so I can't remember the name of it right now, but I'll plonk it above there in the video. if you're very lucky in the morning, you may come across a seal between Charlestown, Dewporth and Porthpean. I've seen it on Dewporth and I've seen it on Porthpean. So far, I've only heard about it at Charlestown. But there's plenty of wildlife around. I've heard recently we had a whale on the other coast. Shame I didn't see that, but it's nice to know we got some really cool wildlife around at the minute. Sorry again. That tunnel kind of needs to be taken out too. The reason why I like kayaking, you get to see villages and just general stuff from a different angle, and it's always nice. I find being on water calming. Obviously not like big raging seas and all that, not calming, but like this, on a beautiful day, my happy place. As the harbours fill, they have been draining it completely lately. Yeah, unfortunately, there's so many Cornish attractions lately. The Shipwreck Museum in Charlestown has gone bust. Unfortunately, I'm not even sure if it's still open. Yeah, please go check it out before it's gone. If it hasn't, then we've lost another cool attraction, which is a shame because we're losing them. Like, we're pretty much losing most of them at the minute. I know Dairyland's gone and getting to be sold. Flambard is gone, and all the Cornish history that's been in there for many and many years now being sold off. Would be nice if they got donated to a local museum. But hey, that's the way of life, capitalism. But yeah, there's still plenty to see in Cornwall there. We have plenty of beautiful coasts. Just always please be careful on the coast, because it might be beautiful but it's also dangerous. Sweet. Beautiful caves this way. That gun batteries was used to protect Charlestown way back in the day. I know it's got the gunpowder magazine up there, it's been blown up or crumbled. Probably blown up, but I don't know. It's not in one piece anymore. Right, let's get around the corner back to Dewporth. Beautiful coast. Also, when I can get enough time and someone to look after my dog, I want to do the river, St Austell River, also known as the White River. Goes from St Austell all the way down to Pentuin. I want to do that one. I might have to either do that in two sections or just do it from the sewage works down, because there's a big drop between the top bit and past the sewage works. Just do the sewage works down to Pentuin. That's another mission I'm thinking of doing soon, or when I got the time. I'm so happy to be out and about today. Let's go a little bit wider away from that rock, because there is a little underwater rock right there. Probably not a little one, no, it's not a little one. Right. Back round the corner again. Cuttlefish. What's left of one. Lovely cove. Seen a lot more cuttlefish lately. Sometimes you see hardly any, sometimes you see shitloads. Alright, let's watch those rocks. Tide's going down quite quick though, look at the edge of the rocks and everything. Hey, let's go wide. Last thing I want to do is get wedged on the rock I don't see and then flip over. Alright, let's go close look to Dune Puff again. Dune Puff, sorry. There's some underwater rocks there, go wide. Yeah, it's been a nice little paddle. Once I get back to Porthpean, I'm going to rest up and see if I can get out again. I'm going to go the other way. Never gone the other way. I've done this mission I've just done. Well, I've done from Porthpean all the way to the park, but that was many years ago before I started doing YouTube. I haven't done it for a while. Shoulders are keen. Yeah, very nice view from the sea. I said the water is bloody beautiful. Hope you guys can pick up the lovely greenness of it. It's gonna be a cracker of a day. Right, let's get back round. Round it. Water's chilly but not too cold now the sun's come out. Let's see, bird. Take it off. Alright, let's keep paddling. Just keep paddling along. Big underwater rock there. Try and stay away from that bugger. Brilliant clear water. I do love my homeland. Right, might have to go out a bit more. Have to look a lot more bouncy. No, that's fine. I'm coming a lot closer to these rocks. Underwater rock there. Got myself in a shitty situation for a minute. Just push up past these buggers. Oh, that should be alright now. You don't want to do that too much. Not on Porthpean, you can help it. There's the rock. When they take pictures of Porthpean, they normally get that rock in it. Lovely. You can actually, I think you can walk up to that and low tide, just please don't get cut off if you ever attempt it. Never underwater rock. Go this way a little bit so you don't get sloshed about by that. Beautiful colours. Some big rocks came down there. Oh, not far off Porthpean now. Obviously, because it's right in front of me. Right. Lovely bit of World War II history on top there. Lookout tower. Anyway, if I can get out again later, I'm going to go in that way. But for now, let's go have a rest on the shore. Waves getting slightly bigger, but it's alright. Still medium waves. Well, tiny waves in comparison to what comes in here sometimes. Alright. Yeah, that's what I wanted as a splash deck for. Alright. Alright, me hearties. I do hope you enjoyed our little paddle today. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next one.